Hi there, I am Ismail from Peleman. Some people talk about anchor text in SEO, and when they do that, they focus on backlinks. However, internal anchor text, the clickable text used in links within your own website, they are also very important. Search engines use this anchor text to understand what the links page is about. For example, if several pages link to a page using the phrase technical SEO checklist, search engines will begin associating that topic strongly with that page. Search engines like Google use internal signals to help interpret page relevance and relationships within a website. In this section, we'll explore how internal anchor text works and how to use it effectively. Anchor text is the clickable text inside a hyperlink. For example, if a page says learn more about SEO audits and the phrase technical SEO audit links to another page, that phrase becomes the anchor text. Search engines analyze anchor text to understand the relationship between two pages. If many internal pages link to a page using similar descriptive phrases, the search engine gains stronger confidence about what the topic of that page is, and that helps with ranking that page. Not all anchor text is equally helpful. Generic anchors such as click here, read more, or this page provide very little information about the linked page. Descriptive anchors, on the other hand, clearly indicates the topic. For example, linking with the phrase technical SEO audit checklist tells search engines much more about the page being referenced. Using descriptive anchor text across your internal link strengthens topical signals across the site. When multiple pages link to a page using related anchor phrases, they reinforce the topic of that page. For instance, if several articles link to a page using variations of SEO audit, technical SEO audit, and website audit checklist, search engines begin to strongly associate that page with SEO audits. This is one of the ways technical linking helps search engines to understand which pages are central to certain topics. While descriptive anchors are helpful, overoptimization can create problems. If every internal link to a page uses the exact same keyword phrase, it can look unnatural. Search engines generally prefer natural variation in anchor texts. Instead of repeating the same exact phrase every time, it's often better to use related wording that still describes the topic clearly. This approach keeps internal linking natural while still reinforcing topical relevance. The most effective internal anchor text strategies follow a simple set of guidelines. Use descriptive phrases that clearly indicate the topic of the linked page. Use anchors and make sure that they fit naturally into the sentence rather than forcing keywords into awkward wording. Use variations of phrases rather than repeating the same anchor every time. Finally, ensure links come from topically relevant pages, which strengthens the connection between related content. To summarize, anchor text is a powerful signal that helps search engines understand what your pages are about. Descriptive anchors strengthen topical relevance, reinforce relationships between pages, and help search engines interpret your site structure more effectively. By using natural informative anchor text within your internal links, you make it easier for search engines to understand and rank your content. If you found this content to be valuable, please make sure to like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.